Okay, guys. A hurricane in PA. Milton, PA hurricane. Jeez. Hi, Fred. This is Hurricane Fred. Whole flooded around. Bruh, I need to take a shelter. Got a tornado warning. Got a hurricane and a tornado here. Jeez. That's just... It's starting to pick up. I'm going to take shelter. This is our shelter. I can't get in there. I need to take shelter. There's a hurricane. This hurricane. This is my first hurricane I ever been in. So I'm kind of, I don't know. I'm kind of excited, and I'm kind of, I don't know how to explain it. But this is my first hurricane ever I've been in. Oh my gosh, I gotta zoom in that. Oh my god, bro. Look at that. That's all water right there. Water. My god, bro. That's flooded. Flooded. Roads are flooded. That road's not. That's good out there. Boom. I need it. Look at the water just dripping. We can see the water dripping. Trees. Oh my god, let me get another view of that. There's a hail! Hail! There's hail! Hail! There's hail!